Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this crochet flower choker. I absolutely love this choker. It's super easy to whip up and even cuter to put on, and it only takes about 30 minutes to make, so it makes it perfect for beginners. To complete this project, you're going to need just a few things. I personally picked out two colors of yarn that I thought would look really cute together. I was using a 4mm crochet hook, and I pulled out some random ribbon that I just happened to have lying around my office. And then you're also going to need a darning needle and a pair of scissors. So to get you started off, you're going to make a slip knot, and then you're going to go ahead and chain two. Once you have your chain two, you're going to go in the second chain from your hook, and in that first chain you're going to put one single crochet, and then you're going to go ahead and chain another two. From here you're going to turn your work and then put 4 double crochets into that single crochet stitch that we just made. And just so you know, that chain 2 that we did is going to count as a double crochet, so in total you will have 5 double crochets. After that, you're going to move over to this space right next to it. It might look a little awkward and you may have to shimmy your way in there, but you're going to go ahead and put 2 additional double crochets in that space. Now this is the only tricky part. In between these double crochets we just made, we're essentially going to want to create a new row of double crochets that sit behind them. So in order to do that, we're going to flip over our work and we're going to be reaching in between and behind the double crochets we just made. So starting in the space in between the first 2 double crochets, you're going to stick your hook in between those stitches, and as you pull up slightly, you'll see there's a little bar there. You're going to go ahead and put 2 double crochets in that space and then repeat in between all of your other double crochets until you've made it back to the other end of your row. This is what it's going to look like once you finish that second row. You'll see how you have your first initial double crochets that we made, and then you'll see how those extra double crochets sit behind the row that we made before. So after you do that, you're going to chain 2 and turn your work, and then we're going to move on to the next step. From here, you're going to go ahead and work your way back around the spiral, and now you're going to put 5 double crochets into each of those stitches that we just made. It is in this step that you're going to see your flowers start to form, and if you want to, you can add more than 5 double crochets into each stitch. It really doesn't matter too much. The more you add, the fuller your flower will be. So however many you want to put in each of these stitches is up to you. So here I just wanted to take a second to show you what your flower is going to start to look like the more that you add your 5 double crochets into each of these stitches. So I'm going to continue to work my way around, and just know that if you put more than 5 double crochets, your flower will be even fuller than what mine was. So once you've made it to the end, you end up towards the center of your flower. So you're going to go ahead and just put 1 single crochet somewhere towards the center of that round, just to close up that little opening. And then after that's done, you can go ahead and cut your yarn, tighten it off, and then pull that remaining strand towards the back side through the center of your flower. So technically at this point you're done. If you don't want to do a second color, you can skip this step. But what I decided to do was go ahead and pick a secondary color, and then I'm just going to make my way all the way back around the entire flower, and I'm going to put one single crochet into each of these stitches just to give it a little extra contrast. Once you're done with that, all you have to do is make sure that all of your extra yarn is towards the back side of your flower, and then take your darning needle and you're just going to weave through any loose ends that you see. Alright, and to finish up this project, you're going to go ahead and pull out your ribbon. You can cut it as long as you want. Just to try and measure it, you can try wrapping it around your neck a couple of times just to see how long you might want to make your choker. Then just flip your work over to the back side, attach your ribbon onto your darning needle, and just pull it straight through the center back of your flower, and then you're done. These chokers are so easy and cute to make, and they're such a nice addition to any outfit. Like, not only can you wear it as a choker, but you can also use it as a hairpiece or even attach it onto a handbag. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like the video and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time with another tutorial. Bye guys!